Alright, 3:20 a.m. in the morning, Saturday, February 5th. That is the real time. Sad, huh?
Okay, so this is the circuit that we designed. It's supposed to implement this function, ARB ANDed with ARC. So we have three voltage sources input, A being 5 volt, B is 3 volt, and C is 7 volt. And so those two diodes and that resistor and those two diodes and that resistor make up two maximum circuits, and those two diodes, that resistor and that power source make up a minimum circuit or gate. So for these two, it takes the maximum, which is 5 volts, so 0.7 voltage drop across the diode to give us roughly 4.3 volts. And for these two, the maximum is 7. 0.7 drop across the diode gives us roughly 6.3 volts. And then for this circuit, we've got a minimum of 4.3, so we should get an output of roughly 5 volts.
Yeah, so here's our circuit. We have the two diodes here at the top, which is the first maximum circuit with a 3 volt and a 5 volt, and then the next maximum gate is this 5 volt and 7 volt. The outputs are brought over to this minimum gate, which has an output of roughly 5 volts, as you can see on our multimeter. And so currently we have nothing hooked up to our yes, load. Thank you, Jesse. Currently we have nothing hooked up to our load, but we will try plugging this thing in and see if this even works. Alright, yeah, you can go ahead and turn off the lights. Ooh, LEDs. So pretty. Yeah, that should be extra credit. So yeah, that's our circuit. You can turn the lights back on. Yeah, alright. Definitely bedtime.